We provide a washing machine at Heathmere for your use. It is free, so please use it if you require. Now, to use the washing machine, you need to make sure that it is turned on. So if this isn't on, please switch it on, because this is the power to the washing machine. To open the washing machine, you need to turn it on. So you need to push the button here. That pushes it in. This will light, and then you can open the door. It will make a click. Then you can open. You can load your clothes in. Now, we also provide washing tablets. You'll find these underneath the sink, and they'll be down here. Just put one of those in and then shut the door. Make sure it clicks, otherwise it won't work. Now, to select the mode that you wish, you have a dial here. It explains the temperature and what it's used for. So you've got cottons, delicates, woolens, minimum iron, and then you've got quick wash settings. So you just turn the dial to whichever setting you wish. So you've got cottons here, 40. You then have your spin speed. You can then change this by just pushing this button to reduce, cycle through. And then if you wish to start, you just push the start button. This will then start the cycle. It tells you how long it will take. Once it's finished, you will then be able to push this button to open the door and make sure that this is turned to the finish and turn it off. Thank you.